In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do an overhead tricep extension with an EZ bar. Now, firstly, you do need a good degree of shoulder mobility for this. If that's not you, there are plenty of overhead tricep exercises that I have already covered, whether that's with resistance bands or with cable machines. Now, if you have got good shoulder mobility, the first thing I want you to do, especially if you've not done this before, is just use the EZ bar. Don't worry about any weight, just get the form and technique dialed in, make sure your elbows are happy with the exercise, and then start to add weight on. Especially for those that have not done this before, they start doing loads of crazy weight and start getting tricep tendonitis or elbow problems. So make sure that you are very slow and progressive if you're a beginner with this exercise. Now, firstly, I just want to draw your attention to the EZ bar. So you see this first curve here is pointing up, so it's not pointing down, pointing up. I'm going to have two of my fingers on the metal mesh and two of my fingers on the clear bar. In that position, my elbows are into my sides, locked in, and I'm going to bring this EZ bar up into a shoulder press position. Now from here, my feet are hip width apart. I'm going to brace my core as hard as I can. I don't want to extend my lower back. And I'm going to drop my elbows, bringing the bar behind my head. And I'm then going to extend from that position. So it's just elbows that bend. I'm bracing my core as hard as I can to stop my lower back from arching too much. And straight back up. Elbows bend, straight back up. Once you've repeated your desired amount of repetitions, you have then done your first set of overhead tricep extension with the EZ bar. Again, make sure you're very slow and progressive with this. If you're somebody that can't quite get the technique, there's plenty of other overhead tricep exercises that you can do, or alternatively, you can do skull crushers with the EZ bar as well.